inside the Niger Delta.
Still staying with the Isoko nation, how to equip Isoko youth to participate effectively in a 21st century digital economy was the focus of a one-day education roundtable organized at Ole, headquarters of Isoko South local government area of Delta State. Participants at the event described it as most timely and apt for the future of Isoko youths, who, like their counterparts in the rest of the Niger Delta, are faced with the challenge of poverty and other forms of deprivation. Correspondent Chika Potosie has details.
Isoko land, comprising 2 local government areas in Delta State, is a reference point in the history of oil and gas production in the Niger Delta. Shortly after crude oil was first discovered in commercial quantity in neighboring Oluibiri community, which is today geopolitically located in Bayelsa State, exploration of the black gold began in Isoko land in 1957. Despite having contributed immensely to Nigeria's economic survival over the years, Isoko communities remain largely neglected and backward. It was to chart a new course for the Isoko ethnic nationality, using education as a tool to safeguard the future of Isoko youths, that concerned Isoko sons and daughters, met recently at Ole.
We must establish that there's an organic link between education and overall development and prosperity of any nation. Education is an indispensable means by which children are properly introduced to a complex and multifarious world. In fact, education is a handmaid of civilization. It remains for me to thank the organizers of this event for their vision in this timely intervention for a possible soul-searching and redemption of our educational system.
Participants at the Isoko Education Roundtable emphasized the need to get young Isoko sons and daughters grounded in information communication technology to enable them compete favorably with their peers in a 21st century global economy.
We are talking about education in Isoko in the next 10-20 years as comparable to education in the developed world like the United States of America and United Kingdom. And that, I will say, first and foremost, will be a very tall order for us. And the way to go is to gradually introduce our students to ICT. That is the tomorrow that we are all looking forward to.
Other speakers suggested practical ways of equipping Isoko youths with the right education to become economically self-reliant in the digital age.
We have found out that the Parent Teachers Association is no longer what it used to be. These are very strong partners that we should have in our education system to be able to interface with the school and the guardian at home. My plea to Isoko Nation, there's need for us to partner together to give the right education to our people.
The essence basically is to ensure that the focus of our interest as Isoko people, irrespective of political leanings, is brought to the fore. This roundtable is one of the initiatives of the Isoko Investment Economic Council to see that we can bring to fore our challenges irrespective of the communities you are, as long as you are Isoko.
The just concluded Isoko Education Roundtable was organized by the Isoko Economic and Investment Council in collaboration with Isoko North and South local councils, the Isoko Development Union, and the National Union of Isoko Students.
Inside the Niger Delta.